Service due warning on a Nissan Pathfinder. There's also a maintenance tyre warning on this vehicle as well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to reset both of those. So just on the steering wheel here, if you toggle down and push this button, you get into the different settings on the menu. Keep pressing it. You get to the settings, use this button to toggle down. You get to the maintenance setting, then you press enter. Service is there, press enter again. And you just want to go down and reset that. So we're going to reset that now. And that's the service warning reset. We're going to click back out. Go to tyre, click that, and we're going to reset that as well. Press enter, and that has been reset. We scroll all the way back out. I'll switch the vehicle off, put it back on again. And the service warnings have now been reset. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.